Hey guys, welcome back to Cruise Dude. I'm kind of quiet because we are in an airport right now. So we got Sully's, one of my favorite restaurants ever. We got Chick-fil-A, one of Kitty Cat's favorite restaurants ever. And we got some random stuff. Joe Blue, looks like there's Michigan and Ohio State game happening up there. There's our plane. We're gonna make it teleport right over here in 3, 2, 1. Boom! We are in row 22, and there is our plane. We are currently in our plane. I'm guessing Salida or whatever it is, Spanish for Mexico. And I dropped my gum on the floor. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but we are way high here. We have my Sully's Chick-fil-A combo seating. We are currently on Allegiant airlines. So, never been on this airline before. Also, we haven't flown on this since our last cruise in 6th grade. So, it's been like 2 years. I forgot all about the takeoff and things, so this was kind of fun. There is also this beautiful sunset you can see right from the plane. Okay, we are now currently looking for our Uber. He is taking a while, isn't he? Also, speaking of a while, it's a crocodile. Oh, I'm so goated. I made that joke. We found him. He is here. That's when we rode in our Uber to get to our hotel, Holiday Inn. We go there so much. Anyways, we got ready for the next day.